This is an actual O-level question taken from a paper that was set 5 years ago, 2020 paper 1. This was question 11 in that particular exam paper. This is a pattern question. We have the first 4 terms of the sequence, 11, 20, 29, 38. The first thing we'll try to identify when we look at the pattern question is whether there is an arithmetic progression. No? All I have to do is go from 11 to 20, ask myself, what is the difference? The difference is 9. 11 plus 9 becomes 20. What about the next two adjacent terms, 20 and 29? 20 plus 9 becomes 29. 29 plus 9 becomes 38. There is a pattern. So, what is the expression? What I will do right now, I will identify the first term as n equals to 1. So when n equals to 1, my first term is 11. Now, when n equals to 2, what is my second term? Okay, my second term is 20, which, as what we have identified, is 11 plus 9. So I'm going to write 11 plus 9 over here. Now, what about my third term? My third term is 29. So 29 is 11 plus 9 plus another 9. There is a pattern that is unfolding here. What is the pattern? I can say that this is 11 plus 9 times 1, whereas this is 11 plus 9 times, yes, you guessed it, 9 times 2. And what about this? This is actually 11 plus 9 times 0. I will now link the pattern number to the number at the end over here. This pattern number to the number at the end over here. When I have 1, I have 0. So 0 is actually 1 minus 1. So when I have 2, I have 1. And 1 is actually 2 minus 1. 1 has to be subtracted for the pattern number at the end. Since that's the case, then I can say that when n equals to n, 11 plus 9 times n minus 1. So basically, this is going to be 11 plus expand 9n minus 9, which is 9n plus 2. So we have obtained the expression for the first part, part A. Now, one of the terms in the sequence is 3, 3, 5. Find the value of n for this term. All I have to do is 9n plus 2, which is the generic formula. I make it equal to 335. So, I can solve for 9n. 335 minus 2, which is 333. N is just 333 divided by 9. Now, let's use the calculator. So, calculator will tell us 37. So, if you get a whole number being the value of n, you're good to go. If there's a decimal that you get, then maybe there's some careless mistakes. So, all you have to do is check your working again and you should be fine.